Hello everybody, today we are going to see the unboxing of Erba Mannheim LIQUIXX SGOT-R test kit. So guys, as you can see, this is the top and the front view of the kit. So let me show you the sides. So guys, this is the Erba Mannheim LIQUIXX SGOT-R kit. So as you can see, it has a catalog number of 120902, and you can see it is a IFCC method kinetic test kit, and this kit contains two reagents, the SGOT-R reagent 1 of 4 into 24 ml and the SGOT-R reagent 2 of 4 into 6 ml. Now it has a standard expiry of 2 years, and you can also see it needs to be stored between 2 to 8 degrees Celsius, and that's the reason why I kept it on a gel pack. And as you can see, it is a C certified IVD product, and it is manufactured by Transasia Biomedical. So you can see it is a very handy to use. It's a very small kit. So this is the other side of the kit. This is the back side of the kit. So guys, to sum this up, this is the Erba LIQUIXX SGOT-R kit of IFCC method kinetic kit. It contains two reagents, 4 into 24 ml and 4 into 6 ml. It needs to be stored between 2 to 8 degrees Celsius. It has an expiry of 2 years, and the catalog number is 120902. So that's about the Erba LIQUIXX SGOT-R kit. Thank you.